If you're asking yourself, can I transfer from Chime to Cash App? The answer is yes. Here are the two main ways to transfer money from Chime to Cash App. Method number one is using your Chime debit card. This is the faster option, but any transfers will be treated as purchases and might incur a fee from Cash App. So just follow these 8 steps here. Open the Cash App on your phone or tablet. Tap the $ icon plus on the main screen. This will either be in the lower left corner on Android or the bottom center of iPhone or iPad. Select Add Cash, then choose the amount you want to transfer from Chime. Next, add card. Enter your Chime debit card information and billing address. Follow any prompts to complete the verification process. Once verified, tap Add Cash again to confirm the transfer. Method number two is linking your Chime bank account. This method takes a bit longer to set up but allows for fee-free transfers directly from your Chime checking or savings account. So first is to open the Cash App, then tap the profile picture icon in the top right corner, select linked accounts, then tap Add Bank, search for and select Chime from the bank option. If Chime doesn't appear, you can try searching for the Bancorp Bank, which is Chime issuing bank. Log in to your Chime account using your login credentials. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the connection between Cash App and Chime. Once your Chime account is linked, go back to the Cash App main screen, tap the $ icon plus, select Pay, and then enter the amount you want to transfer. In the To field, you can either enter your own cash tag or select your linked Chime account. Tap Pay to confirm the transfer. Important notes: Cash App may impose fees for using a debit card to add money. Check their fees schedule before proceeding. It may take 1 to 3 business days for the transfer to reflect in your Cash App balance, depending on the chosen method. So don't panic or worry if you don't see it instantly in your Cash App so balance. Yeah, and bank, if you transfer from bank, it may also take a little bit longer, depends from which country you're sending, as far as I know. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next guide.